Hello, I'm here to tell you a little bit about Le Toy Van. Le Toy Van is a family-orientated company with a big heart. In the mid-1990s, our founder, Georges, made his first wooden doll's house by hand in his garden shed, and not long after that, Le Toy Van was created. Shortly after that, I joined the company. My name is Sophie, and now, 25 years later, our toys are still designed in London and ethically made with love. As a wooden toy company, we love wood. It's 100% natural, supremely tactile, eco-friendly, safe and long-lasting. We only ever use sustainable wood in our toys, using repurposed rubberwood trees decorated with non-toxic water-based paints to ensure they're safe for your children and kind to the environment. At Le Toy Van, we stand for a world of play without plastic and have been targeting single-use plastic as a priority, removing plastic windows and inserts from a large percentage of our packaging. We're not perfect yet, but we're making progress towards our plastic-free ambition. We're passionate about play and believe toys should be fun. Our traditional toys with a contemporary twist are packed with sensory layers and designed to inspire long-term imaginative and social play for generations to come.